Hello student, how are you? Fine? Okay. Today we are discuss about the profit and loss appropriation account. How to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. There is a format of the profit and loss appropriation account. Uh, First heading to profit and loss appropriation accounts. It's also formed in the ledger formats. So first heading is the profit and loss appropriation account. Our debit side is the amount, particular and amount. We transfer to the debit side. Last video we are discuss about the journal entries. The first is interest on capital account DR, partners capital, X partner and the Y partners, anybody, the name of the partners, debit, partners salary account debit, partners commissions account debit. Last time you prepared the journal entry interest on capital, the interest on capital account DR to partners capital account and the interest on capital account debit and partners capital account is credit. Transfer to the profit and loss appropriation account, partners capital account is credit, profit and loss appropriation account is debit. So when the transfer of the interest on capital account in profit and loss appropriation account, it is the debit side of in profit and loss appropriation account. Same to same, partners salaries account DR to partners capital account, transfer to the partners salary to the profit and loss appropriation account. So that journal entry is profit and loss appropriation account to partners salary account. So partners salary is credit, transfer to the profit and loss appropriation account to the debit. Same to same, commission profit and loss appropriation account DR, profit and loss appropriation account DR to commission account. So commission is credit, on the time of the transfer it is debit. So all the transactions are the made in the profit and loss appropriation account. A reserve is also debit in the profit and loss appropriations account. The debit side is a small, less than the credit side. That means the profit and the interest on drawing, and it is also mentions to the X capital या current account DR, Y capital या current account, appropriate ratios में जो इसको हम लोग बांट लेंगे. If the questions, the interest on loan, manager commissions, outstanding expenses, accrued income etc are the maintained, and the profit before change their item given, there is the following two way to the treated: by the preparing the profit and loss adjustment account and following by the profit and loss appropriation account. इसको हम लोग प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट या प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एडजस्टमेंट अकाउंट बनाकर उसमें शो करेंगे. एंड बाय द शोइंग द प्रॉफिट नेट ऑफ देम आइटम्स ऑन द क्रेडिट साइड ऑफ द प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट एंड द डिडक्टिंग. या तो सीधा हम इसको प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट में दिखला दें, या फिर इसको क्या करें हम कि नेट प्रॉफिट से घटाकर हम इसको डायरेक्टली जो है प्रॉफिट को हम लोग नेट बना लें और उसके बाद उसको हम प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट में दिखला सकते हैं. दोनों तरीके से इसका हम लोग ट्रीटमेंट कर सकते हैं. आइए क्वेश्चन समझते हैं इसके ऊपर. ए एंड बीज आर द इक्वल पार्टनर इन द पार्टनरशिप बिजनेस वेयर देयर कैपिटल बैलेंस as on 1st January 2011 is 1,20,000 and the 80,000. It is the A's capital and it is the B's capital respectively. Interest on their capital account is 6,000 and the 4,000. Salary of A and B's account of rupees 2,000 and 1,500 per annum. Interest on the loan forwarded to the बाय द ए टू द फॉर्म. इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन जो है फॉर्म को दे दिया गया है, फॉरवर्ड कर दिया गया है के थ्रू. एनुअल इन 5,000 एंड द प्रॉफिट अर्न ड्यूरिंग द ईयर amounted to the 90,000 is the profit. 90,000 is the profit. So how can we treatment? There is a two basic methods to the treatment it. First we prepare the profit and loss adjustment account, and that's we clear. 90,000 is the profit is the given, 90,000 is the net profit is the given, and the interest on loan is the transfer to the profit and loss adjustment account. So interest on loan is the debit and the balancing figure is 85,000. It is a net profit. And next we prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. What is the treatment we do? First of all, we say that the interest on capital, that is the mentioned by the questions. Interest on capital is 6,000 and the 4,000 A's and B's. We mention what is the general entry about the interest on capital account, profit and loss appropriation account DR to interest on capital account. So interest on capital account is credit. When we transfer to the interest on capital account to the profit and loss appropriation account, नहीं, तो profit and loss appropriation account, it is the transfer to the profit and loss appropriation, it is the credit. transfer पर क्या हो जाएगा? डेबिट हो जाएगा. सो एज कैपिटल इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल अकाउंट इज डेबिट एंड बीज इंटरेस्ट कैपिटल अकाउंट इज डेबिट 6,000 एंड 4,000. नेक्स्ट partner salary account. What is the treatment of the partner salary? Same as interest, profit and loss appropriation account, debit to interest, partner salary account. Partner's salary account, what's happened? Partner's salary account is credit. When we transfer to the profit and loss appropriation account, it is debited. So we treated partners capital salaries account 2,000 and 1,500 is debited. Next is profit and loss accounts. Next is the profit and loss accounts. 85,000 is given because of 5,000 loan abhi to just we consider about, we less the profit 90,000 minus 5,000, it is the 85,000 rupees. 85, we mention the rupees 85, clear? We mention the rupees 85 in the profit and loss appropriation account. Otherwise, when we mention 90,000 in is there and 5,000 is there, so it is also 85,000. So balancing figures, partners capital accounts, it's the balancing figures, it's adjust profit transfer to the balancing figure is capital and B is capital. Profit sharing ratio is equal because there is no options to the consider about its the appropriations account. So the appropriations of the profit, there is no details to available here, so profit is distributed equally. Clear? Okay, thank you. Next class we are discuss some other questions from the T.S. Agrawal books. So I try to clear your concept. Okay, thank you. Meet you next video.